how you can see the number of subscribers you have on your YouTube channel. So, first things first, you need to open YouTube and make sure you're signed in. Without signing into your account, you won't be able to see the number of subscribers. In order to know whether you've signed in or not, you can take a look at the second icon right at the side of the notification bar. You need to go here, and since my account is logged in, if I click here, all my details will pop up. If not, you'll just have a icon of a dummy. You need to click there and click on sign in, add your email, your username, and all. Now, once you've signed in and you're at this interface of YouTube, you need to go to your profile and go to view your channel. Now, this view your channel does not appear unless you convert your YouTube to your channel. Just by signing in and just by logging up, you won't have an automatic channel. You need to change your personal account into a channel. And since this is not my professional YouTube channel, I just had 3 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure it's also pretty old. Now, the main thing is at this page of your YouTube, you are permitted to see the number of subscribers that you have. It is this simple to take a look at the number of subscribers you have, and that's it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and then comment if you want anything new. For now, let me sign off. Stay tuned, stay updated.